Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to group blocks in a WordPress blog post, right? As you can see, I'm into my WordPress website admin dashboard, and here in the left side toolbar we are getting an option of post. As we move our cursor on the post, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us having options of all posts, where all posts written by us would be displayed. You can create a new post by clicking on the add post, right? But right now we are going to click on all posts, as I am going to edit the existing blog post for your reference, so that you can easily understood how to group blocks in a WordPress blog post, right? As you can see, blog posts written by me are getting displayed, and whenever I move my cursor on any of the blog post title, then automatically the edit option gets displayed, and I will click on the edit button, and here the article has been opened, the blog post has been opened, we are into the editor mode, and as you can see there are lots of blogs. For example, I just want to group blogs. Let me tell you why you need to group blocks, because if you want to rearrange your blocks, then for rearranging blocks individually, it is typically troublesome, right? Because you need to like rearrange each and every block individually. So in that case you can simply group all those blocks, and you can rearrange, or you can delete all those blocks together, right? So in that case also you need to group those blocks, right? So as you can see, I just want to group this why this business works heading block, and these three bullet points block, and again this particular heading block, and this bullet points block. Like I just want to group all these four blocks, right? Two of headings and two of bullet points, right? So I will just simply move my cursor in the left side, or you can move the cursor in the right side, and you just need to click on the left click of the mouse, right, after moving your cursor into the left, and then you just need to scroll, and you just need to select all those blocks which you want to group, right? So again I'm doing this. Okay, it's not getting selected. Let me do it from here. Let me do for another. So I have placed my cursor in the end of the text of the paragraph, and now I will simply keep my left click pressed of the mouse button. Now I will keep my left button pressed of mouse and will scroll my cursor over the top. For example, I have selected these 6 blocks, right? 3 of headings, 2 of bullet points, and 1 of paragraph, right? And I have selected these 6 blocks. Now I will release my mouse left button, and as you can see, a toolbar is getting displayed over here. Whether you will see this toolbar in the top or like below, just above these blocks, right? And there is an option of group in this toolbar. You just need to click on group, and as you can see, the whole blocks are now grouped, right? If I want to move these blocks all together, that's why I have grouped them, right? And when I click on this block somewhere, then let me select again, let me group these blocks. Okay, I have clicked on group, right? So these have been converted into group. Now I can simply move these blocks all together, down, move down. So this is how you can simply move these grouped blocks simultaneously, right? So move up and move down option is available over here in the toolbar, that is getting showed over the blocks, right? And we can simply ungroup them as well by clicking on this triple dot, and here is an option of ungroup. You can simply select this ungroup to ungroup all these blocks again, right? So this is how you can group blocks in a WordPress blog post. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then I have mentioned my website link over in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.